Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to make these earrings using Fevicryl molded clay. First of all, take any plastic bag or plastic sheet and stick it on the surface of table using adhesive tape. Second important thing that we will need is talcum powder. Take hardener and resin base in same proportion. Now mix them until the clay color is completely white. Now I am going to divide it into 3 equal portions. I am going to color 2 of this clay, so for that I am using this blue watercolor, and for another I am going to mix brown and yellow color. Now if you feel that the color is looking so dull, then you can add more color to it. Roll it and create a thin sheet just like this. Now I am using a circular cap to cut a circle. And for smaller circles, I am using the lid of my eyeliner. Start twisting them together. I am using this rectangular lid to cut a rectangle. Now carefully create parallel lines using blade or knife like this. Divide this circle into half. Use toothpick to create hole. Let it dry for few hours. Use a nail shaper to smooth out rough edges. Now attach all the pieces using jump ring. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.